Wait, early in the morning. This is what I do every morning. Check the dishes. So we're gonna wash the dishes. We're gonna wash the dishes. So the first thing I do is wash the dishes and make sure the sink is clean. And we're gonna clean this one because we cooked tayo yesterday, so it's so much mess. Filipino pala tayo guys kasi nag-hand wash tayo ng mga dishes natin. I really don't like using the washing machine. So time consuming, uses a lot of water. Oh well, actually when you hand wash you use a lot of water also. Hindi naman laki lang ang sink namin. Daming lilinisan. And then what we're gonna do, clean this. And then put away all the stuff. So was from last night. Ah, one. This one right here. Tago natin to lahat. Ang dami. So this ones go. Tatago natin yan lahat. So guys, after having a lot of cooking, you saw how messy my countertop was. This is what I do after I finish cooking. I sanitize it really well. Hindi ko na sasabihin sa inyo kung anong brand ng sanitizer ko. Yeah. Hindi naman nila ako ini-sponsoran pa. So, okay lang. Linisang maigi. Parang sa hospital. Hospital grade cleaner. This is what I do sa hospital din. Pag papasok ako kasi doon sa hospital, madumi. Walang COVID. So, linis-linis lang. Pati ito, sinasanitize ko rin yan. Sinatasanitize ko rin yan yung buong sink na yan para malinisan siya. And then, soap it. Tapos dito pala, meron ako nilalagay na ito pala. Lalagay natin ito. Lalagay na natin ito lahat. Okay, turn the water. Bango. Rinse this in the table also. Look at how clear this countertop is. So we're gonna finish cleaning our table. Tanggalin lahat ng basura. Okay. Ang buhay dito sa Amerika, ganito. Maglilinis, walang katulong. Pagkatapos magluto, kailangan linisan ang buong countertop kasi nung nagluluto, magulo. So, ngayon, maglilinis tayo. Walang katulong dito. I wonder kung anong magiging buhay ko sa Pilipinas. Kasi, 50 years old na ako ngayon. Ngayon, magre-retire na ako. Pero, gusto ko naman maayos yung bahay ko. Ano kaya magiging buhay namin sa Pilipinas? Pag wala na akong ginagawa. Matanda na ako. Pero, sa tingin ko, lahat ng matanda bumabagal. Pero, tingnan mo si Papa. Nakaupo lang siya ng araw-araw. Pagkagising niya, punta sa bathroom. Tapos, uupo sa kanyang trono. Doon. May mga pad yan yung sofa namin. Baka kasi maihian. Pero hindi pa naman. Dati kasi si Mama, naiihian niya yan yung sofa. Kaya, merong mga pad yan. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling ang alikabok. Kasi, hindi naman ako nagsusuot ng sapatos ko sa loob ng bahay. Pero, si Papa pala ay dinadala niya yung mga lahat ng alikabok sa labas. Pero okay lang. Kasi wala naman kaming carpet. Ang ganda nito. Mamamap mo to ng tubig. Once a week. Na nagmamap ng tubig. Tapos, pag off ako, nagwawalis ako. I work 3 days. And, pag 3 days na yun na nagtatrabaho ako ng 12 hours, hindi ako nagwawalis. You kidding me? Gising ko, 5:30. Lalabas na ako ng 6 o'clock. Blessed na lang ako pag may susundo sa... Hi guys, pag pala mayroon akong trabaho, this is my personal assistant, ang katulong ko. Ang pangalan niya is Sarah. Let's clean. Please check my desk Oh my God. Very demanding naman tong si Sarah na to. Ay, puno na pala kasi yung kanyang dustbin. So, we push that. And then, we're gonna empty it. I don't know if I remember how to open this. Ay, ito pala. Nasa push mo. Ay, punong-puno ang basurahan. Ah, dito pala. Ayan. Ay, naku, punong-puno. No wonder it's dead. Ah, disgusting. Nobody cleaned it. No wonder. No one else will do it but me. Yes. Okay. Now, Sarah, you can now go clean. Oh, you are going now. It has a computer, so then it kind of like figures out. Where did he go? Oh, it's dead. So we need to also clean it. So ito, wala palang nagme-maintain dito na anyone. So what we have to do is open this. Oh, look. Ang dami pala siyang dust dito. Actually, we can know that it really is working really hard because this was the trash that it suctioned for so many, I could say, weeks. Kasi I ignored it. I was busy. So now we're taking this off, and what it does is, oh, we need to clean this part right here. Here. So coiled here. Let's turn on the light so we can see it. So ano lang, kailangan tanggalin lang yung kanyang, we need scissors. So tapos na tayo sa paglilinis dito sa countertop na to. Ayusin na lang natin. Nagwalis na rin tayo. Tapos ayusin na natin tong upuan. Ayoko ng carpet. Ayoko ng carpet kasi may asthma kasi ako, kaya ayoko ng medyo may carpet. So okay na to. Ayan, tapos ay, so tingnan ko naman yung mga halaman ko. Tignan mo, may babies na sila. Kaka-babies. Ito, photos. Mga sisi plant. Monstera, paborito ko yan. Tapos ito, sisi plant din. Tapos another monstera. May mga babies na rin siya. Ito, medyo pinapropagate ko yan kasi nahulog siya. Pero namamatay na. Kitchen rules. Sabi niya, kitchen rules. If you empty it, fill it. If you cook it, share it. If you dirty it, clean it. If you open it, close it. If you spill it, wipe it. So, if you empty it, fill it. Pareho pala yan. Dalawa pala yan. If you cook it, share it. Pareho lang. Ewan ko kung bakit nandyan yan. Ito din ang isang mga ginagawa ko. Lilinis ako ng toilet. Ito pala, smart toilet to. So, but it's really not that smart because it doesn't clean itself. That's so weird. So now we're gonna clean it. Nobody, So we have here yung cleaner. You just go like that. Over here, look a little bit there. Spray some sanitizer. Then scrub it up, dub. I wish you are smart to clean yourself. So you just push this button and then the toilet seat will go up. It has a bidet. Kaso nga lang, disgusting siya pag madumi. You really need to scrub it because this is kind of like the public washroom. Everybody uses this. Papa, Matthew, Look, and everybody who comes in who doesn't live here. So I clean this once a week. Meron siya mga dumi from the singit. And I really spray it with the clean to make sure it's really clean. Disgusting. I hate cleaning the bathroom. And I just use this so that it's disposable. It has automatic flush. So good morning everybody. I am going to work right now. Look at me. So I'm making coffee. Tapos na tayo magkamit. Nagawaan ako ng kape ko. One of the things that happened recently since I turned 50, I have to carry my pamaypay because I always get hot. But look at what I'm wearing right now because it's cold at work. So coffee. So let's get my baon. I have blueberries, raspberry, chia seed, apple, and soy milk. Caesar salad. From Trader Joe's. Yan ang pagkain ko ng bakal din. Then I get my coffee. And then of course, my pamaypay. Off we go, guys. Where's my shoes? Oh, there's my shoes. Ganito lang ang buhay dito sa Amerika. Gising sa umaga, and then trabaho. Kaya kailangan pag bago ka pumasok sa umaga, kung day off ka, maglilinis ka ng bahay. Ganito lang ang buhay dito sa Amerika. Wala nang ginawa kundi magtrabaho. Pero ngayon, inayos naman lahat. Ito lang garahe namin. Tapos ngayon, papasok na ako.